Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be reacting to natural hair fails. So this video was suggested by a subscriber of mine, a very loyal subscriber. Her name is Amber Marriott. Big up yourself, Amber Marriott. You always come right out with the support and I really appreciate you. So this video was requested by her, suggested by her. I'm gonna be reacting to the natural hair fails on TikTok. So let the screen recording begin and let's get right into the video. So I think I'm gonna do, let me see, natural hair fail. Alright, so let's begin. Volume up and ready.
Y'all wanna laugh at my hairstyle fail? Keep on watching. So I use this product, right? Lovely, but not for this style. Y'all, I blow dried my hair for this, okay? So I start putting on the product. As you can see, I split my hair up into two sections because my hair is pretty thick and I really wanted it to be really flat, right? I thought I was doing something though. Then I went in with this gel. No, if you have 4C hair,
I've never seen that gel before.
It goes on really nice.
Oh yeah.
Staying. You know, putting a little scarf on to set the hair.
Oh, I love her scarf.
For at least 30 minutes to an hour. All right, so
African pride.
You see how flat it was, right? I was like, yes, I'm that girl. You people cannot talk to me anyhow. Y'all, look at what my hair did after a few hours. What's
I can relate.
Just the audacity.
I can relate, but guess what? The style came out so cute. Like when she did it, it was laid. It was so nice, girl. But trust me, girl, I can relate. I have those days where I use certain products and yeah, but it was cute. That was a cute style. But I feel you, girl. I feel you.
Once upon a time, I knew everything right. Everything right.
It's the voice for me.
Every fucking thing right.
It's the voice.
And what the fuck is this, bro? What is this?
It's cute.
Once upon a time, I knew everything right.
Alright, I'm not just saying because I'm on camera.
Every fucking thing right. And what the fuck is this, bro? What is this?
That's cute. Comment down below, my friend. That was a cute. It came out cute. Her curls were... Listen, I've had days where there's no curls at all. So you, girl, that came out so cute. If you had like, if she wanted it to look a little more spicy, she could have like used a couple bobby pins, pin it up, you know, pin up the sides, have two-piece coming down. But it came out cute, you know, that was cute. All right, let's see this one. That's how she did it. I'm sorry. That's crazy. But girl, at least you have hair. That's the good part. You have hair.
Hair was episode 5. Let's go. I have a question. Is it not heavy? Is she trying to go for the umbrella look? I don't understand. Why would you put such a heavy... She is carrying the whole ocean on her head.
I can't even see her face.
The ocean. I don't understand. We're not lying when we say it's not for your hair type. We're not lying. Look at that. It's not meant for you. Your scalp is screaming for help. It's not meant for you. It's not. Slap some people in this world because what did I say about the 1A on the 4C? She is smiling. She willingly took that picture knowing how terrible she looks. How dare you? On behalf of every black woman in this world, how dare you? Reasons why men have trust issues. She's covering the whole of
the whole forehead. Alright, let me get off this app. I love her reaction for these videos, by the way. I'm sorry. I love her reaction. She's crying. Is that real tears? Yeah, trying YouTube hair tutorials be like, I can relate, girl. But you have nice hair. You have pretty hair, girl, so you could do a lot with your hair. Just keep practicing. Just keep practicing. Trust me, I do feel it. You did a good job. That's all I can say, because nothing wrong with your hair, girl. Nothing.
Dude, that's sizzling? That's not normal. Ooh, that is too hot for wet hair. You don't do that with wet hair, honey.
I have goosebumps.
Dude, that's sizzling? That's not normal. Ooh, that is too hot for wet hair. You don't do that with wet hair, honey.
I can't watch it anymore. Make it stop. Make it stop.
So at this point, the hair's been on for more than an hour. I haven't looked at it and don't know what it looks like. So this is my first time seeing it. Just as it's your first time seeing it. Oh my freaking god. Oh my. You've got to be kidding me. It's literally supposed to turn, which it did turn blonde in some spots, but my hair is not green.
It's green. It's supposed to be blonde?
Completely green.
Oh.
So just got to shower and rinse my hair, and let's see what damage. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. What am I going
Well.
to do here? What am I going to do? So at this point, the hair's been on for more than an hour.
I mean, you could dye it black and then probably try another color, I think. But trust me, girl, we've all had those days. Got a nice head of hair, girl. A nice head of hair.
I'm Lyric, and usually my hair looks like this, but what did I do? I changed it! Keep in mind, it's usually like 4B, 4C, so this was a feet. So I didn't feel like re-showering, re-detangling, like everything, so I basically just combed out what was already done. The process I was feeling like a cutie, so I took some pictures. Wait, Lyric, how'd you get your hair like that in the first place? You blow dry on medium heat and low fan. Fight of heat damage. I was supposed to show you how to like comb through it while blow dry, but then I got confused on how to do a ponytail with white people hair. Now that I'm looking like I dated the moon, we're gonna start sectioning. Now you're gonna take those sections and you're gonna twist them to the very last strand, and then you're gonna twist them into bantu knots. A lot of people thought that I was using like rods to curl my hair, but honestly, those don't work for shit because my hair is too curly. Now you're gonna sit and wait to be compared to Kodak, and the next morning you just take them out. I realize that I look like I'm extremely heavy-handed, but that's just how my hair works. So please do not just rip that shit out of your head. Do not go ham. Just separate it, just floof it, just pick it out, you know? Do not go all the way through your hair or the curls will be lost. That's the entire point of having such defined curls. After you're done reversing your genetic code, just go on ahead and have a nice day.
5 minutes later, bro. That's funny.
Hashtag Hair was episode 7. Let's go. Someone told me.
Well then. Well then.
Some respect. Who are you trying to fool? Where's your self-respect? How is that not a wig? What is that? It's so shameful. It's so shameful. And the suddenly she's like, no. I don't want this to become a trend, no, don't try to fix a leg broken. It was perfectly fine being braided all the way down. It's okay. Don't try to fix it, Bethany. It's alright, okay? I don't want this to happen. Did the braider get tired? I don't accept it. I don't approve. That's not right. You see, this one's nice. She's pretty. It's nice. But it's too much colour. She looks like a rainbow. Hashtag Hair was episode 7.
That was hilarious. I don't know what went wrong for that video, but that video looked perfectly fine for me. Oh, maybe he was trying to braid his hair. It didn't came out right, so he just like, listen, I'm gonna still show how cute I am at the end when your hair won't act right.
Why do we keep doing that? Like, it's going this way. Like, no, I'm fucking trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like, whoop, like, no, go do, what the fuck? What?
Snatch that wig off. But I didn't think it would work.
How to bleach your friend's roots with only using natural products. Step 1, grab baking soda. Step 2, grab peroxide. Step 3, grab alcohol. Step 4, grab lemon juice. Step 5, grab a bowl. Step 6, grab a brush. Step 7, add your baking soda. Step 8, add peroxide. Add equal parts nail polish remover. Add your lemon juice. That is normal. Very normal. And mix it, 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 mix it. It will become a paste. Step 9, find your willing participant. Rosa, time to rebleach your roots. Naturally. Apply natural bleach to hair. It's very safe. Apply to hair.
It's really hard for me to trust you.
It's gonna go fine. Bam!
It burns.
Let it bake for 3 hours. Remove bag. Wash
3 hours?
from here. And the final product, look, the all-natural bleach. Or how to bleach your friend's roots without using natural.
Wow. Wow.
I got it this way. Ain't nothing wrong with your mini plaits, your mini braids.
Nothing wrong. Oh.
That's funny. But this video, let me give it a like, heart.
Nothing was wrong with that, man. Like, it was cute.
Hey guys, so this is part 2 to the Frederick Douglass story. So I went in for a wash and style. I didn't want her to cut my hair because I didn't know how well she was going to do, and I'm so glad I did not let her cut my hair. She shampooed my hair and that was fine, but then when she started to condition my hair, she literally took some pumps of it and squeezed it into my hair. Like, she didn't even try to rake it through or anything, and I was so confused. In the back of my head, I was like, maybe this is a diva curl technique, like this is new. So then she gets done conditioning my hair, doesn't deep condition or anything, and then we get to the chair. This is her drying my hair before the product. So as you can see, she was touching my hair like this.
Oh.
What is that? Then she took some more product and she put up like half of my hair and started like going on the ends.
This was the first video that I react to.
Smoothing it in. At this point, she wasn't even paying attention to my hair. She asked me if I wanted to get it diffused, and I said no. I paid her, walked out, and cried in the car. I was afraid of compensation, so that's why I didn't get a refund, but I did end up getting one. If you live in San Antonio, don't go to Diva Curl. Hey guys, so this is part 2 to the front.
That's the hard part, when you can't even express how you really feel, and then when you get home or when you get in your car, you just burst out in tears because it's like, what to do now? You don't want to get in any issues with anyone, you know, just but your hair looks good, girl. The blonde that I'm seeing right now is pretty.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please.
Oh, that's pretty.
Please. Oh my god!
It's
Please
cute.
don't be ugly.
That was good. Came out nice. Girl, that was cute. What you mean? That was a cute hyper. that's it for this natural hair fail, which most of it wasn't a fail. I think a lot of them were like cute hairstyle, but let me know what you think down in the comment section. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified each time I post a video. Also remember to hit that thumbs up, make it blue. Oh, it's not blue anymore, it's black. Make it black. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.